Pula e ntse ena e tlile go kotula. Motheo o ne ke re roagile o thubegile. Mabota a ntse ke a tshegeditse a phutlhame. Pelo a ke robegile. Moya wa me o khubame ka mangwele dikeledi di gana go fela. E re ke le tlhalosetse ka sejatlhapi le tle le kgone go nkutlwa sentle. If you were to put your hand into my soul, it would come out rainbow stained like Joseph's Technicolor coat. Because even through the pain, there are tiny remnants of emotions that feel not so bad, sometimes even good. But my problem with pain is how it welcomes me with open arms and embraces me, while joy is so short-lived. Persistence in love is not for those who are faint at heart. Keeping consistent strength when pain breaks you down. Consistent hope when you see your joy in the rearview mirror of your thoughts. And consistent prayer that the God you pray to lets it stay longer than the last time it came is not easy. The pleasure my soul used to enjoy every time I thought of you is exhausted. I remember the first time you spoke to me and how I felt. My most amazing experiences began when I started finding belonging in your future. You had my heart at the palm of your hand, but you held it away from yours, while your words chanted short-lived affirmations till my heart shattered like the walls of Jericho under the noise that my mind made, praising how beautifully you loved me. Now my present is so tense because I don't know how to fight for love. I can't rewrite the past and ask destiny to keep a fence between us until God himself says we belong. For the longest time, I was trapped in a facade of security created by my subconscious to help me believe that one day will be my day, and the universe in some crazy way will align our destinies to cross in a better way this time. Because this parallel side-by-side someday type of love has left my soul shattered and my spirit in tatters. I'm paralyzed by the death of our love and how it's left me at the dark end of the crossroad. I miss the chivalry in your words and the longing for me in them. But I can't live on words alone. They won't hold me or wipe my tears. They won't protect me or lighten my fears. They did make me hold on though, when all of the logic and sense I had said let go. I love you, but I can't be the rainbow and the pot of gold at the end.